beautiful stage. Look at this background. The other performers are really pleased with it. We, of course, have decorated this in the traditional red and gold for 49ers. Yeah. But also because for our cultures, red and gold is spirit and good wishes for the year ahead. Now, how many... All right, ladies and gentlemen, now how many of you are ready to see this, all this prep goes into? How many of you are ready to see the monopole dance? That's great. If you go onto YouTube, oh no, they're gonna do it for us real live today. They are set. Ladies and gentlemen, all the safety precautions have been checked out. All the measurements have been made. And I'm talking longer just because I like to see Mr. Lau sweat by holding that pole in place. So ladies and gentlemen, let's let everybody get some relief, except for the dancer who's gonna be doing some tremendous work. Give a loud round of applause so that they can hear it way at the top of the pole. Lion Dance Me and the monopole dance. Now we see you as the new mayor. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage. It is our honor to welcome in the new mayor of San Jose, Mayor Matt Mahan.
Good morning. Gung Hei Fat Choi. How are you? Happy New Year, everyone, and to our Vietnamese community as well. Chúc mừng năm mới. I hope everybody is having a wonderful New Year's celebration. I want to thank NBC and Mike for being our MC here today. This is just a fantastic event. Congratulations to Santana Row, by the way, on celebrating 20 years. What an awesome milestone. This has become such a great gathering place for our community in addition to all the many amenities here. And you know, as we ring in the year of the rabbit, or if you're celebrating the year of the cat, I'm not taking sides either way, both great animals. I just want to wish you all a new year full of joy and peace. and prosperity. We have a lot to be grateful for as a community. We've come through a challenging few years with the pandemic and economic uncertainty, and I'm just so confident that together, because we are such a strong, diverse, educated, hardworking community, that our brightest days are ahead of us. So I hope you're feeling hopeful as we head into the new year. Once again, I want to thank NBC and Santana Row for elevating the Lunar New Year. You know, we're a city in San Jose in which nearly 40% of our residents claim Asian ancestry. How amazing is that? We're one of the most diverse cities in the world, and as mayor, I am committed to elevating and celebrating that diversity every day. So thank you all for being out here today. Happy New Year once again. All the best to you and your families in the year ahead. All right, take care. Happy New Year.
More people, and we're just at the beginning of our show. We've already seen the drunken lions. So folks, if you're trying to get your brunch on, sorry, the lions got well ahead of you. But even despite that, they were able to recover within the time that the mayor has been speaking, and they're able to be here now for their second performance. So with the help of Lion Dance Me, who you may have seen on NBC's America's Got Talent, they're back here on the stage in San Jose's Santana Row with the bench dance. Give it up for Lion Dance Me.